안녕하세요. 저는 임입니다. 저는 재정입니다.
사시카우디 스티븐지 조이민준입니다.
And we're back doing small reaction videos for you for the end of the month. For today, from Chanyeol from the Box OST, and it is the song called Piga, which is raining. Let's get straight into it because yay, Chanyeol.
I thought that was an ad for a second.
조금씩 비가 내린다 시작되려나 빗방울이 조금씩 굵어진다 기막힌 우연이구나 하필 오늘 이 늦은 밤에 비가 이제서야 좀 아프다 이쯤은 돼야 이별을 하든가 말든가 하지 이제 좀 물어볼까봐 빗소리가 울기 좋다 비가 잘도 내린다 다시 서버린다 다 잊어버린다 너를 조금 더 힘들어진다 또 시작됐나 그놈의 몸 아쉬운 마음이 얼마나 많은 시간을 더 보내야지 널 보내게 될까 싫다 그렇게 싫어했었던 비가 온다 네가 끔찍해하던 비가 온다 기막힌 운명이구나 수고해라 아파해라 비가 잘도 내린다 다시 서버린다 다 잊어버린다
I feel like that music video didn't really do justice for the song.
Also, it's an OST for
A drama?
The Box, which I think is a movie. Yeah, I really want to see that. So basically what I'm gathering from it is that he's got like severe
Anxiety or something.
stage fright and stuff like that, so he does all of this. Like, I've done a reaction to one of the other songs from the OST, which was Break the Box, which again was so good. He looks so young. It's the way that his hair is. But and I know that. Believe me, I know that. But I'm so excited because, I mean, if you're an EXO fan of EXO, you know that Chanyeol is one of the actors in EXO. But I haven't really seen him in anything other than EXO Next Door. And we know that like Dio is also an actor who, again, I've wanting to see dramas and stuff that he's in, but I've only ever seen him act in EXO Next Door. And then we have Baekhyun, who I have seen in Moon Lover's Scarlet Heart Rio. And I mean, they're like the three main actors, and then you have Tao and Luhan, who are actors in China. Still not over it. But I really like that song. That was really sweet. And again, his voice is just so pretty and soft and beautiful. And I really like that.
It was a really nice, soft, sweet song.
I hope that you liked that video. If you did, hit the thumbs up button. Leave us comments down below. Share this on social media if you'd like to. All of my social media links are down below, so go check me out, follow me, find me on all of those. If you'd like to leave any requests or suggestions for more videos that you'd like to see on my channel, then please let me know down below and I'll get to them as soon as I can. That's it for this video, and we will talk to you very, very soon. Hopefully with a bit more energy. Kirby face! 안녕!